What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Bucket Seat Edition, and thank you for subscribing, guys. If you haven't seen yet, I'm at 100 subscribers in like a month worth of posts. So, guys, I think it's a milestone for me. So let's cut the long story short. Today we're gonna be busy with the MK1, the MK1 1.6. Today we're gonna be busy with it. So yeah, guys, let's get to the video and keep on subscribing. But guys, please like or comment, because your comment and your likes get us a long way in terms of reach. Let's get to it.